Subscriptions are everywhere. You probably have at least 4 draining your bank account right now. But what if you were on the receiving end of those subscriptions? What if people were paying you every month for great content? It's time to stop dreaming and start streaming your content. This week on Lulu University. A subscription is the action of making or agreeing to make an advance payment in order to receive or participate in something. Sounds exclusive, right? That's the point. By offering a subscription, you can give your readers access to you, your content, your process, your events, or anything else you feel would resonate and add value. And it can give you a bit of financial security. The key ingredient to a subscription is a recurring monthly or annual payment in exchange for some sick content. Knowing how much money that you can count on and make each month can help you reinvest in your business, plan out your next books, pay for ads on social media or other promotional items or events, or even create a sustainable income and leave your day job. Unless you work at Lulu, because obviously you'd never want to do that. I know that financial security is exciting, but remember, there's a catch. In order to get that sweet, sweet cash, you have to be creating content on a consistent basis that is worth paying for. Our friends at Ream have provided 3 key questions you should ask yourself before asking your readers to give you all their monies. Before launching a subscription, ask yourself, what time, money, and energy do I have to give to my subscription, and what am I hoping to get out of it? So what are your expectations going into this? Number 2 is, what are my strengths as an author and what do I enjoy doing most? Number 3 is, what are my readers' expectations of me? And if you don't have a lot of readers yet, what are reader expectations for similar authors to you in your genre? The goal here is to see some alignment with your answers. So do you have a ton of time and money and energy, and creating content is your favorite thing to do, and your readers already expect quality content from you on a regular basis? If the answer is yes, subscription time! Are you broke, hate being on a schedule, and the only expectation your readers have is that you have a mustache? Probably not time for a subscription, but keep going with the mustache. Probably your answers to these questions won't be so clear-cut, but be honest about what is feasible for you, what will help you create quality content, and perhaps most importantly, are your readers willing to pay monthly or annually for exclusive content? There are several different ways to run a subscription, so I will preface this with ultimately the choice is up to you, but a few good options for authors are early access, meaning that your subscribers get early access to your content, as the name implies. There's also exclusive access, meaning that your subscribers get access to content that the rest of us are not lucky enough to ever see. And then the last is product-based. So this might mean that monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, annually, you send out a box that has products in it. So this could be hardcover copies of your paperback book, paperback cover copies of your hardcover book, notebooks, journals, calendars, magazines, comic books, bookmarks, whatever you feel would delight them. Pro tip, if you're interested in doing product-based but not really sure how to make that happen, Lulu's print-on-demand technology and drop shipping can be a great option for you. And with our multi-order import tool, you can upload multiple orders for your products at one time. If a subscription is right for you, here are a few options worth checking out. The first one is Substack. So Substack is a newsletter publishing platform, and it's free for writers and readers with the option to ask your readers to subscribe for a monthly or annual fee. Definitely check out our blog review of Substack for more information. Next up is Patreon. So Patreon is a platform that allows you to create rewards for your members based on different subscription levels. Patreon is a well-known and powerful tool for creators and might be worth checking out for you. Last but not least is Ream. So I mentioned Ream earlier in the broadcast, but think of Ream like Patreon, but specifically for fiction authors. So Ream is designed to help you connect with your readers, write amazing stories, save time, create an easy experience for your readers, all while making more money as an author. Here are a few tips to get started on your subscription. When you're just starting out, focus on keeping your current readers happy rather than trying to reach a new audience right away. So I know this is exciting. You have a subscription, that's crazy. But you want to keep the people who agreed, who initially signed up in the beginning, make sure you're keeping them happy and you're letting them know that you appreciate their support before going out and trying to reach new people. And if you keep them happy, they will help you grow your audience and reach new readers. Tip number 2 is don't overcomplicate. So make sure the platform that you choose is easy for you to use and it's easy for your readers to use. So not only are you asking these people to give you money on a regular basis, but the chances are you're asking them to use a platform that they may not be familiar with. So make sure it's intuitive and enjoyable for you and your readers. The next step is under-promise and over-deliver. So have you ever gotten a gift from someone and as you're opening it, they're like, oh, it's nothing, it's not a big deal, don't worry about it, or they're kind of underselling it, and then you open it and it's like the best thing ever, you love it. Do that with your readers. So when you start your subscription, set realistic expectations that you can meet and hopefully exceed. Last but not least, ask for feedback regularly and use it. So these people are potentially your super fans. These people love what you're doing. They're going on this journey with you. They're excited to be there. So ask them what's working, what they like and what they don't like, and then use that feedback to improve your process and make them happy. That's a little bit about subscriptions. Start testing them out right now with a free subscription to our YouTube channel. Drop comments below and we'll see you next time.